Today, I want to do a few examples where we prove a set is a subset of another set, but we're going to be using power sets in our examples, right? This is just hopefully to make you understand what power sets really are, right? So here's our first example. We have the power set of A union power set of B is a subset of the power set of A union B. So we want to start off by let X be inside the power set of A union power set of B, right? Then from here, by the definition of union, we can say X is inside the power set of A, or X is inside the power set of B, right? And or means it can be this or that or both, right? So then from here, what we want to say is by the def of power set, right? We can then from here, we can say X, right? Well, if X is inside of A, the power set of A, what can we say about X? We can say X is a subset of A, right? By the definition of power set, X is a subset of A, or X is a subset of B. Then, from here, once again, by the def of union, once again, we can say X is a subset of A union B, okay? Then, from here, if X is a subset of A union B, right, once again, by the definition of power set, what can we say? By the def of power set, we can say X is inside the power set of A union B, right? And since we showed that X being inside the power set of A union B implies X is inside the power set of A union B, right? From that we can say that this is a subset of that, right? And I'll be back with another example. So now I'm back with our next example. And our next example is going to be if A is a subset of B, then the power set of A is a subset of the power set of B. So how do we prove this? Well, we're going to assume that A is a subset of B, and we're going to let X be inside the power set of A, right? Because remember, what we're trying to show is, in this case, X is the power set of A is the subset of the power set of B, right? So in order to do that, we show if X is inside the power set of A, that implies X is inside the power set of B. That's why we're starting with this assumption rather than assuming X is inside of A, right? So from here, what we can do is, well, we can say by the definition of power set, we can say if X is inside of the power set of A, we can then, just like on the last proof, say X is a subset of A, right? Because that's based off the definition of a power set. If you're not quite familiar with power sets yet, I'll make a video on that in more detail in the future. But right now, just stick with it. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to look, okay, well, we know X is a subset of A, but our assumption is A is a subset of B. So then, from our assumption, we can say X is a subset of B, right? Because if X is a subset of A and A is a subset of B, X must also be a subset of B. But then we know X is a subset of B, so by the definition of power set, X must be inside the power set of B. And now we have shown if X is inside the power set of A, that implies X is inside the power set of B, which completes our proof. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I say anything wrong or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.